I have a package in the mail. You guys see it, man. We are going to go straight into this. This is the Chime. You guys have to sign up with Chime. Please take your time because they're going to give you $50 and they're going to give me $50. It's a free checking and saving account. What you can do is easy download the application, sign up in like 30 seconds. You get $50, I get $50. All you have to do is connect your direct deposit, and of course you'll get paid 2 days early with this. So you'll actually get paid 2 days early. So download that. That link is in the description. In today's video, we're about to get into, this is actually the credit builder card. Now I'm going to discuss the credit builder card a little bit, but first I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like, and I have this here. And if you guys want Chime, you guys heard some nice things about Chime, drop the comments below. Also, like I said, check out that link. That way I get 50 bucks, you get 50 bucks, and it's an easy win-to-win. It's easy win-to-win. This is the Chime credit builder card. This is actually the new metal card. I requested the new credit card a while back, and because I don't really want to do the credit card thing, and I want everybody thinking, oh, this is a credit card. It's not a credit card, it's a secured card. So basically with these cards, let's say you got $100, you'll put $100 on this card, you use it, and it gets reported to your credit. So it's an easy way to build credit, especially with the kids growing up these days. It's an easy way to build credit. You guys want to build credit, good techniques, good ethics, build your credit early. Download this, put some money on it, and build your credit early. Like I said, they're gonna give you $50 just to do it. And this is not just for the credit card. They actually have a checking account as well. So if you have a job, if you're young, you're working, or if you just got a job out there and you need direct deposit, they will pay you 2 days faster as well. Let's get right to it. If you guys are new to Chime, like I said, check that link. If you have Chime, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of Chime. Good or bad, you know, I'm open to hear people's feedback, good and bad. I'll discuss my feedback as well. And here we have it. This is the new metal card. I'm going to actually, I don't know, because there's a lot of hackers and all out there. I'm going to show you guys what my phone says. This is what the card looks like. Kids out there, you know, that follow me and watch whatever I'll do, build your credit early. If you get anything out of my videos, you know, you want to build credit the smart way. These are secured, like I said, secured credit cards. I'm not preaching to go get a credit card, but this is a secured credit card, and there's a difference. So do your research on that. But like I said, it's here. I got mine. It's smooth. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick. This is what mine look like. Then you can guys check into secure cards, and maybe I'll make another video about that. But I did just want to show you guys that my card came in the mail. Like people ask how many days, how long did it take? Let's say at least we shipped it Thursday. So I got an email saying your card is en route. They shipped it Thursday. And how many days is that? Let's go back. We gotta go back a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 4 days, and it was shipped to me. Like, so I wasn't tripping. My account has been open. So like I wasn't really tripping. I wasn't even using it. But like I said, this is a good way to build your credit, people. Good way to build your credit. If you're young, talk to your parents about this. Show them my video. We can, you know, we talk about the Chime, but they will give you $50. Just set up an account. You have a banking account, checking account. Boom. Drop the comments below. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Right. Banking the way it should be. Let's get that up for you guys. Banking the way it should be. This is strictly from Chime. If you have not downloaded Chime, check the description below. Download under my code. You will get 50 bucks, and they'll give me 50 bucks as well. Now this says a credit card you can control. There's no fees or interest, no credit check to apply, and it helps build your credit. As I mentioned before, if you guys do want the breakdown of what's, if you guys want the breakdown of what's a secured credit card and what's just a regular credit card, I broke that down for you guys in the other video. Now this is spend only what you add. That's another good thing with these secured credit cards. You're not going to be spending $1,000, $20,000 if you didn't put that in there. So if you're spending what you add in there, it says move money to Credit Builder anytime and charge up to any amount. So you can move from Credit Builder to spending account based on what you want to do. You can move your money how you want to. And lastly, build your credit history. So each month will tell you the major credit bureaus and how well you're doing. So like I said, each payment and each swipe you do with this credit card is getting reported. They're not loaning you money and then you can't afford it, you can't pay it, your credit goes downhill. No, with this, you have $100, you put $100 on your card, you spend that accordingly. But as you spend that accordingly, your credit will be getting reported to the credit bureau. So you can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with that. And if you guys got any more questions with this breakdown and actually, any questions regarding Chime, drop the comments below. I've been with Chime for a while now, very, very long time. I got my credit card, I got my credit card, so we're here. Like I said, it's not the typical credit card. They're here to help build your credit. Like it's not no crap, but you gotta have the money. So let's get this straight. You're not just gonna have the credit card and they're funding from another bank and now blah blah blah. No. You put the money in and you spend it, they report it to your credit bureau. It's very, very simple, but that gives you guys better, like you have more control, and also you're building your credit at the same time. It's a win-win situation. With that being said, man, drop the comments below. If you guys got any questions regarding Chime, how to set up your account, what is a secured account, what's this and that, drop the comments below because I'm here to help you guys. And I know, like I mentioned before, and like a lot of people comment, I'm here to help. I'm here to help the best of my knowledge. I was placed on this earth to help guys, to help people, to help you guys. So I was placed on this earth to help you guys. So with that being said, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Just like that sign say, it's hard to be the person who never gives up. Babe Ruth said that. I need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need like a couple more diplomas back there. I got one. Now I'm gonna need one more right there. I'm just having like going all the way around. That's how I need my diplomas, just go all the way around. But yeah, Dr. Banks sound pretty good. Dr. Banks. Dr. Banks. But yeah, man, any questions regarding this, like I said, drop the comments below. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Don't let nobody tell you can't do nothing. But yeah. And this is what it looked like. I didn't want to show my chip because y'all got there's some good hackers out there, so I'm not going to show my chip, but I'm going to show you guys this is what it looks like.